Hello and welcome to Nikolay's genetics lessons, and today I have prepared 3 questions about brown algae, and the first question is: some brown algae such as padina are calcified. Is it true or false? Take a look at this picture of the padina, and though it is green, it is actually brown algae. So brown algae not necessarily looks brown because it has chlorophyll which is green. And you also see here this whitish area which is calcium carbonate. Those brown algae has thousands of species, only 2 genus are calcified, and one of them are padina. So this statement is true. Answer A. And next question: only chlorophyll A and B can be found in brown algae. Is it true or false? Take a look at this picture which lists all the photosynthetic pigments in brown algae. It is chlorophyll A, chlorophyll C, and fuchalxanthin. These are primary photosynthetic pigments, and accessory would be carotenoids. So as you see, this is false statement. There is no chlorophyll B in the brown algae, only chlorophyll A and C. Chlorophyll A and B we can find in green algae. And the last question also about brown algae: how many rows of cells in the filaments does Asteronema have? And this is how this brown algae looks like, but don't be fooled by this picture, because every structure here consists of thousands of the hair-like structures which we call filaments, and as you see, these filaments consist of single row of cells. So as you see, brown algae Asteronema in filaments has single row of cells. Answer A. And this is all for today. Subscribe and see you in the next video. Goodbye.